Hello everyone, I'm Sogand. Welcome to this video with me. Today, I want to speak about sentence for better and more self-confident in your life. With this sentence, you can increase self-confidence. This sentence can help you to have comfortable and calm down life. You should read it. I suggest you, when you wake up in the morning and when you want to sleep at night, you read it. Okay? The first sentence. I make my life. I'm the most important person in my life. I have a lot of positive energy. I stand up front of problem in my life. I see just beautiful things around me. I make inner beauty, external beauty in my mind. I have a lot of talent and skill. I work with many good things to reflect energy. I love myself without any reason. It's a good sentence. The people respect to me. I choose the best idea for my mind. I'm free for living and enjoy that. Means I can living in myself. It's good. I always soft. I always living with peace and calm down in my life. I'm what I think I am. I growing up every bad situation. I'm proud of myself. I have a lot of confidence. I love my life and life love me. I deserve of the best and ready for get them. My confidence is unlimited. I can living happy, simple and more comfortable. I am very valuable and unique or special person. I am successful for do everything and in my life. I'm grateful for my life and sometimes try to change it. I want get new experience and new ways of my life. I think many people want me for without any reason. I have a brilliant smile. I hope this sentence is useful for you. Good luck, everyone. Have a nice time.